stage, we have a little bit of an issue with the suspension failing. I forgot to make the braces, and it's not supposed to look like that. Alright, the first thing we're going to try is just jacking it up, putting a piece of metal in this hole, and trying to leverage it back down. Do that on both sides, it works. And if not, we're going to try using a winch and a snatch block to pull the two pieces together. Alright, this appears to be making a pretty big difference. Definitely closing it up. So we'll do this on both sides, and then we'll drill this piece of angle and attach it across and bolt it in. Alright, driver's side is done. We went ahead and put a strap between the wheel and the other side just to keep it from bowing out when we lower it down. Then we'll do that side, and then we'll drill the holes and mount the cross brace. Alright, here's the setup, and now we're going to try to bend it back into place. Go ahead, Brett. And just like that, it's flat again, for the most part. Amazing what leverage can do. Alright. Yeah, it pops back up a little bit when you get off of it, but it's way better than it was. I think once we brace it up, it'll be fine. Alright, now we're back straight. We've got the straps holding it all together. We're gonna make this angle iron be a brace here. So we got the angle iron jacked up in the middle, supporting it. Now, these things are not perfect, but they're way better than they were. When I get home, I'll take it apart and put an actual piece of square tubing in there after bending it flat. Put the nuts and bolts on. We only have enough drill power to do one on each side. Here's the hole we're drilling over here. That's all I need for now.
Keeping everything pulling apart.
It'll at least get us to the campsite and then back home tomorrow. After a trip to Ace Hardware, fighting with the drill bit, we got 2 bolts and a piece of angle iron in place. That should be sufficient for what we're doing today. When I get back home, I'll build the L brackets that go up in here. And I'll get an actual 2x3 square tube for the crossbeam. Alright, we managed to make it to the campsite intact. Now the alignment came bent because I had the wheel hanging down and it hit the ground. So we're going to flip the axle around so the bolt doesn't hit the side of the trailer. And then I can place the wheels up so we have more clearance.